David Harbouwer is facing serious scrutiny as Millie Bobby Broven reporterly filed a harassment complaint against him. Weeks before het hy neefsbroke, Harbouwer had publicly praised Broven and his fellow Stranger Things co-stars, calling them all pretty good kids in an interview with the Esquire Spine. De 50-jaar-old actor, who played Broven's adoptieve vader on the Netflix-series, sought advice for his younger cast members en zou raging them to focus on their craft, nurture their passion for storytelling, and build long-lasting careers in the industry. Nov te alleged lafsite, which reportedly includes pages and pages of accusations. Casts aside of over Harbouwer's earlier glowing remarks. Wat was onze narratieve of mentorship and pryse is nog complicated by serious claims. Rising questions about the behinte scenes dynamics on Stranger Things finalisatie.